Good morning and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. As you can probably tell from the title of today's video, I'm going to be sharing my morning routine with you. This is something that is quite important to me and it doesn't really change too much. I find that when I do have a morning routine, my day is a lot more productive, whereas when I'm staying in Adelaide, for example, not in my apartment in Melbourne, I find that my days aren't as productive because I'm just waking up and doing whatever, but don't really have a plan for my day. At the moment, I'm waking up at 6 a.m. and I'm quite enjoying that. Last week, for example, I was waking up at 7, and it does depend a little bit on what time Aaron wakes up as well for his work, but I'm trying to get up earlier to get more out of my day. And as hard as it is, especially at the moment because it is so cold when we wake up, I do feel a lot more productive and a lot better throughout the day because I'm able to get more done. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So the first thing I do as soon as my alarm goes off is head into my ensuite and pop on my robe and my Ugg boots. Then I wash my face and apply my serum and my moisturizer. And once that's done, I brush my teeth. Then I usually get changed and switch the TV on, jump on the treadmill, turn that on, and I normally do around 45 minutes on the treadmill. Last week I was doing 45 minutes of walking. This week I have started doing 30 minutes of walking and then 15 minutes of jogging. Hopefully next week or the week after I'll be doing half an hour of walking, half an hour of jogging. Once that's done, I hop in the shower. Next I head over and I make some tea. So usually I have a lemon, honey and ginger, but I cut the ginger and cut the lemon and pop it in and then pour the tea on top. But at the moment I found a recipe through Lydia Millen. I watch her on YouTube and I saw that she makes a ginger tonic. So I'm going to leave the recipe to this in the description box so that if you wanted to try it as well, you can have a look because I quite like it and it is a very strong kick of ginger. So it really does kind of wake you up if you're not already awake. And then you just keep that in the fridge and you pour about a shot into your tea. So Lydia said that you can either have it as a shot in the morning or to water it down a little bit to have it as a tea. So I am having it as a tea. I quite enjoy just sipping on it while I'm getting ready. Then depending on what time Aaron gets up, that's when I make the bed. So obviously if I'm waking up at 6, he's not normally getting up with me. So I have to wait till he's out of bed to make the bed. And I'm the sort of person that if nobody's in the bed needs to be made. So as soon as he's out and he's getting ready for work, then that's when I make the bed. Next, I head back into the bathroom and do my hair and my makeup. So I'm only inserting a very short clip here of my hair and my makeup because if you watch my last video, I show you step by step how I get ready for my everyday makeup look, which is what I have also on today. So if you want to see that, I will also link that in the description box below, and I also link every single product that I use to do my hair and my makeup. Once I'm ready for the day, I come into my living room and lift the blinds and let the sun shine in. Then I light my candle and sit down and plan my day. With my planning, I do most of my planning on Sundays. So I plan on Sunday for the week that's coming. But that's more general things that I need to do. Anything else that I need to add, I either sit down the night before or the morning and write it down. So in the morning when I sit down, I'm either adding things to do or I'm just checking what I need to do for the day. And that concludes my morning routine. So that is everything that I do pretty much exactly the same every single morning. And then from this point on, it varies depending on what I need to do throughout the day. So I do hope you enjoyed that. And if you have your own morning routine and you have any tips or anything that you enjoy doing in the morning that really helps you to be productive or that helps you start your day right, then do let me know. I would love to hear it. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.